In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add About section in GoDaddy website. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to customize the content so it fits your brand and tells your story clearly. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type GoDaddy and open the official GoDaddy website. Once you're there, sign into your account using your usual credentials. If you use extra security like verification codes, complete that as you normally would. After you're logged in, look toward the top right of the screen and click your profile name or avatar. From the drop-down menu, choose My Products. This takes you to a list of everything connected to your account. Find the website you want to work on, specifically your website builder site, and click it to open the editor. Inside the editor, navigate to the area of the page where you'd like your About section to appear. As you move your cursor between existing sections, you'll see a small plus icon. Click that plus sign to add a new section. A panel will open with different categories of content you can add. In that panel, choose General, then select About. This filters the options to layouts designed specifically for an About section. You'll see several templates with different arrangements of headings, text, and images. Pick the one that matches your style and click it to add it to your page. Don't worry, you can change the text, swap images, and fine-tune the layout afterward, so focus on the overall structure you like best. Now it's time to edit. Click into the headline and write a clear, friendly title, something like About Us or Our Story. In the body text, briefly explain who you are, what you do, and what makes your business different. Keep it concise and conversational. If your template includes an image, replace it with a quality photo that represents your team, your space, or your product. You can also adjust buttons, captions, and any optional elements provided by the template. Look in the side panel for style options such as alignment, background, and spacing to make everything consistent with your brand. As you make changes, the preview updates so you can see how it looks in real time. Read through your text for clarity, check for typos, and make sure your most important message appears near the top. When you're happy with how it looks, you're all set. You've added and customized an About section on your GoDaddy website.